Thinking about a picket fence? Let's explore the pros and cons. Here are the pros of using a picket fence. Pro 1. Aesthetic appeal. Picket fences add a classic charm to any property. Pro 2. Defined boundaries. They clearly mark your property line while maintaining openness. Pro 3. Versatility. Available in various heights and designs to fit your style. Pro 4. Easy installation. Picket fences are relatively simple to install compared to other types. Now, let's talk about the cons. Con 1. Limited privacy. They don't offer much privacy or security for your yard. Con 2. Maintenance required. Wood fences need regular maintenance like painting or staining. Con 3. Less durability. Picket fences can be more susceptible to weather damage. And there you have it. Consider these pros and cons to decide if a picket fence is right for you. You can watch other videos in our channel for more fencing tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Should you require professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. See you next time.